Let's talk about this one. Matthew here, guys. High converting landing page frameworks. We're going to talk about master attention grabbing headlines, build unshakable trust, transform pain into purchase motivation, maximize value, create frictionless conversion paths, implement testing that actually works, and apply the complete 7-layer framework as well. So, you're going to learn step-by-step frameworks for crafting headlines that will instantly connect with visitors and compel them to keep reading. You're going to discover proven methods to stack credibility using testimonials, data points, and trust signals that overcome skepticism and build confidence. You're going to implement techniques that bridge customer problems with your solution, creating emotional urgency that drives action. Apply clear strategies to present your offers in ways that highlight benefits, minimize objections, and make saying yes the obvious choice. Also, you're going to master the visual flow and micro copy techniques that implement confusion and guide visitors smoothly towards your call to action. You're going to follow practical testing loops that identify what works and what isn't, and exactly how to improve the conversion rates over time. And last but not least, get a repeatable system you can use across any campaign to transform unpredictability and unpredictable results into reliable, scalable conversions. I hope that helps, guys. Link is in the description for the product.